Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with auto-dimming power heated side mirrors with signals, automatic running boards, a roof rack, solar ray deep tinted glass, and much more. A long list of features, plenty of power at the driver's disposal, and an unmistakable road-going presence helps keep this big Cadillac hold much of its luxury appeal. This Escalade has 22-inch chromed alloy aluminum wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There is also a tire inflation kit and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Escalade is in great condition. It has intelligent beam LED twilight Sentio headlamps with auto delay, along with halogen fog lamps, a lightly tinted windshield, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful V8 6.2-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Escalade has all-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Escalade has only 61,121 miles on it. At the back of the Escalade, you can see the flip-up glass hatch, the rear wiper, dual exhaust, LED taillights, the sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats can be arranged for space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. This Escalade even has a very comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find drop-down video screens, own climate controls. They can use the fold-down armrests, the cup holders, and the power outlets, as well as the seat back storage. These seats are even heated, and there are child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice genuine olive ash and walnut burr interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You have a very large console with storage, heated and cooled cup holders, and power adjustable pedals. This Escalade is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and OnStar. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the driver's seat memory, the programmable power door locks with lockout protection, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Escalade has a very comfortable power tilting heated leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 10 speakers surround sound system by Bose. This system includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD and DVD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using a USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have tri-zone automatic climate control, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.